Hey there shoppers, it's Amy and I'm here with the Aiper Scuba X1 Pro Max. This is an absolute tank of a robotic pool cleaner, and it's going to get your pool not just surface level clean, but clean all the way around. I'm talking this thing does floors, it does walls, it does water line, and it does that surface level cleaning. So if there's leaves or debris that's floating around in the top of your pool, yeah, this thing gets that too. I've never seen a robot pool cleaner that does all of those things. And I have especially never seen one that does them quite as well as this one. So there's an app where of course you can choose all of your cleaning modes and you can set your schedules. And the fine mesh cleaning with this filter is absolutely second to none. I've never seen one quite like this. So definitely stick around with me to the end of the video so you can see that really all satisfying clean out of the filters. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my mode, pick out my cleaning schedule on the app, and then put this in the pool. And when it's done cleaning, it will dock for us. Meet me back here and we will check out our results. Right out of the box, the Aiper Scuba X1 Pro Max looks premium. It's got this futuristic, streamlined design that feels durable but sleek. And it's completely wireless, thanks to the included wireless charging dock. That alone already sets it apart from most traditional cleaners. The setup is literally plug and play. You charge it, you drop it in, and it gets to work. No hoses, no tangle-prone cords, and no complicated connections. I also love how compact the charging station is. It tucks away easily, and it keeps things clutter-free. Now let's talk about what really makes this robot special. It's the smart pool mapping and adaptive path technology. The Scuba X1 Pro Max isn't just guessing where to go. It actually scans and maps your entire pool, and then it plans the most efficient route to clean every single inch. And it works. My pool has some tricky curves and platforms, and this thing covered it all, from floor to waterline, without any weird loops or missed spots. It's mesmerizing to watch, but more importantly, it saves a ton of time. Cleaning power? Let's just say it delivers. With 8,500 gallons per hour of suction, this robot picked up everything from big leaves to fine sand, and I live in a pretty leafy area, so that's saying something. It also uses a dual-stage filtration system, with a standard filter and an ultra-fine micro mesh filter. That means it's not just scooping up the big stuff, it's catching the stuff you don't usually even see, like pollen, silt, and fine dust. After one cycle, my pool looked crystal clear. I honestly couldn't believe how clean it felt. Even the waterline had that just scrubbed sparkle. What really impressed me is that the Scuba X1 Pro Max is an all-in-one cleaner. It doesn't just clean the floor, it handles the walls, the waterline, the platforms, and even slope surfaces. It transitions smoothly and it doesn't get stuck. And the built-in sensors help it adapt to the pool's shape and depth, which means it actually learns how to clean your pool, not just a generic one. One of my favorite features, the smart surface parking. So when it's all done cleaning, the robot surfaces and it parks itself near the edge of the pool. You even get a little notification on your phone, so no need to dive in and no fishing it out with a pole. The companion app is also really intuitive. You can schedule your cleanings, check the status, and get alerts from your phone. It seriously modernized the whole pool care routine. Thank you guys for sticking around with me and seeing the results of the Aiper Scuba X1 Pro Max. Absolutely incredible. If you need to get up sand, hair, algae, leaves, debris from your pool and you don't want to lift a finger, this is the robot that I trust to actually be able to see the bottom of my pool. It works in above ground, below ground, weirdly shaped pools. Even if you have a platform or steps or things like that, this can get it all. And not just the floor. You're talking your walls, your waterline, and your surface as well. Absolutely incredible cleaner, incredible company, incredible app. I love this one. I know that you guys are going to love it as well. I'm going to leave all of the links and the information in the description below. You guys can go ahead and check that out. And as always, get to shopping. Adios, amigos.